Hello students, hope you are good and healthy. I am Arshia Sayyed from Rajiv Gandhi English Primary and High School, which is running under Paschim Maharashtra Education Trust. So before we start our today's lesson, we was discussed in yesterday's class about our skeleton system and skin. Okay, so in that class we was discussed so many things which is related to skeleton. So first we was discussed definition. Second thing we was discussed the presentation, how it perform the functioning and all. Okay. Now the next we was discussed types of bone. How many types of bones are present in the human skeleton system. So in that we was discussed 4 types of bones. Flat bones. Okay. Second thing is irregular bones, and some bones are, and third one is that the skull bones. Okay. So small bones and some bones are large bones or long bones. So these 4 types of bones we was discussed in previous class. Okay. Which 4 types of bones? Now recall number one by one. One is a small bone, second one is irregular bone, third one is small bones, and fourth one is the long bone. Okay. So we was discussed 4 types of bones and how our skeleton system is that. Definitions, fracture, what do you mean by fracture, and what is accident. Okay. So fracture means what? Fracture means the broken bones. Okay. For example, sometimes we fall down. Okay. So due to this our bones are breaked. So that means fracture. Or next, for which what we discussed? We was discussed skeleton. What do you mean by skeleton? Skeleton means the all bones are combined and form a framework. Okay. What it means? Skeleton means all bones in our body combine and form a framework. Okay. That framework of the bones is known as skeleton. So in yesterday's class we was discussed so many things which is the basic things of human skeleton system. Definitions, types of bones, and what are fracture and what are the accidents. What do you mean by accident, and what do you mean by fracture, and what do you mean by skeleton. So now today we are going to learn a new topic. What do you mean by human skeleton system? Okay. There are so many systems in our body. Okay. For example, if we are gone through the food, if we consume and intake food. Okay. So this system is known as digestive system. Okay. So likewise there is so many systems are there. Circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system, so many systems. So first we are gone through the basic one is the our skeleton system and skin. So in that we was first discussed today definition. Okay. What we discussed today? We discuss definition. Okay. So human skeletal system. Now the number 1 is that what do you mean by system? Okay. First we clear in our mind what is system. System means how it function, how it works. Okay. Or why we are call it as a system. System means it's a systematized efforts. Okay. Or systematized things to link one by one how the body organs are present, where it is situated, where is the position of that. So whatever things which is related to the body parts, okay, that is known as the system. System means a systematic positions or systematic areas where the organs are present, where the bones is present, upside, downside, left side, right side. So the whole points which is covered in the system. Okay. System is understood. What is system? So in that we are discussing today human skeletal system. Now first come to the definition. Okay. कि human skeleton system actual में होता क्या है. Now so we'll see the system which gives a definite shape to the body. The number 1 word is indicate that definite. Definite means what? Definite means a exact shape or a real shape. Okay. or static shape of the body. Okay, the system which gives a exact shape or a perfect shape to the body, which provides support. What do you mean by support? Support means which gives balance, okay, which gives base, okay, provide support and protect. What it means protect? Protect means वो कैसे अपने body को cover करता है, how it cover, how it safe. So provide support and protect the delicate organs. In our body, so many sense organs is there, some other organs is there. So these organs are very soft, okay, they are very soft, they are not hard. If it is hard, so we don't call it as delicate, but it is soft, that's why we call it as delicate organs. So the system which gives a definite shape to the body, which provides support and protect the delicate organs inside the body. Where it present? All organs are present inside the body. But which types of organ? Delicate organs. Okay, so these delicate organs inside the body is called as human skeletal system. Have you understood this? Now, the human skeleton system is the systematic position of the body, systematic shape, systematic size, and systematically provide and support and give a delicate organs to maintain itself, okay, as an organ which gives a blood, circulate, whatever it is that. So the human skeleton system, it provides or gives support to the inner parts or inner body organs. Understood? Now, human skeleton system, on the basis of that, they are present in the whole body. Skeleton means what? You know skeleton, what is that? Skeleton is the framework of the bone. Okay, on the basis of their heads, chest and the legs, okay, whatever it present or wherever it is present, on the basis of that they are differentiated into two parts. Okay, this skeleton is divided into two parts. Whatever is that? Okay, now human skeleton system is divided into two parts. Number one is axial skeleton. Okay, number one is what? Axial skeleton. Axial means what? Have you listened this word any time? Okay, we are listening or hear so many times word is axial. Axial means a मेन रोड, जो कि बॉडी के मेन हिस्से में पाया जाता है, दैट मीन्स एक्साइल. ओके, रिलेटिंग टू फॉर्म एंड एक्सिस. वो मिलकर एक क्या फॉर्म करता है? वो एक एक्सिस बनाता है. ठीक है, व्हाट इट फॉर्म्स? इट फॉर्म्स एन एक्सिस विच इज रिलेटिंग टू द आर्म और एक्सिस. ओके, दो मेन रोड का काम करता है. व्हाट इट वर्क्स? इट वर्क्स एज ए मेन road. Okay, now the second one is the appendicular skeleton. Okay, as the word indicate, appendicular. Okay, appendicular means, the word appendicular means that relating to the appendix or limbs. वो किससे related होगा? They are related to appendix और limb से related होता है. Okay, so we will discuss later what is in detail what is appendicular skeleton and what it works and functioning. Okay, now human skeleton, have you understood this? What is human skeleton? Human skeleton system is divided into two parts. Number one is axial skeleton and number two is the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton is functioning and work as a main rod. Okay, उसका पहला main, उसकी position कहाँ है? Where it present? It present the main rod and relating to form an axis. They form an axis. And the second one is the appendicular skeleton, which is relating to the limbs or arms. Okay, where it is relating to the app or appendix or limb. Okay, now we will discuss in detail now what is axial skeleton. Okay, It contains 3 parts. Okay, how many it contains? It contains skull, second thing spine, third thing rib cage. Okay, what exoskeleton contain? It contains skull, spine, rib cage. As the word indicates skull, where it is present? It present on the brain region. Okay, where it present? It is present on the brain region. Okay, brain side. That means it known as skull. Okay, now second one is the what? Spine. Okay, spine means what? It is the backbone. Okay, human skeleton, in that the main long bone is what? The स्पाइन्स. ओके, रीढ़ की हड्डी जिसे कहा जाता है जो लोकल लैंग्वेज में, जिसे, ठीक है, रीढ़ की हड्डी. ओके, सो स्पाइन मीन्स रीढ़ की हड्डी. ओके, स्पाइन इज द बैकबोन ऑफ ह्यूमन body which gives a definite shape and the static position of the human skeleton system. Now third one is rib cage. rib cage यानी कि हमारी जो बॉडी के अंदर जो थर्ड हिस्सा है, ब्रोंकाइटिस, यू नो ब्रोंकाइटिस, ओके, कफ्स होता है, ब्रोंकस होते हैं. सो rib cage means what? rib cage means the third one area of the body in which we respirate. Okay, what we do? We respirate, inhale or exhale process is there. So rib cage is the third one area of the body. Chest region, it is definitely located in the chest region. Okay, that means it known as rib cage. So in exoskeleton there are 3 types or 3 parts. Number 1 is skull, number 2 is spine, and third one is the rib cage. Skull is present on head region, spine is the back region, and rib cage is the chest region. Understood? Now second is the appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton contains 2 regions, arms and legs. This appendicular skeleton, it is relating to the appendix or limbs. Limbs means what? It means it is present on the lower side, which is where it is present? It is present on the lower side. Okay, arms and legs. Where it present? It present on arms or legs. So these all are skull, spine, rib cage, arms and legs. They whole are the bones. And where it is situated? It is situated on the axial side, and some are situated on the appendicular side. Okay, understood this? So human skeleton system differentiated into 2 parts: axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton, as the word indicate, axial means which is relating to an axis. Axis is the main central part of the body. Okay, and appendicular skeleton relating to appendix or limbs. Some bones are present on the hand side and some bones are present on the leg side. Okay, so that's why it is known as appendicular skeleton. So in that we are discussed axial skeleton. In axial skeleton, skull is there, spine is there, rib cage is there. So these all are present on the central axis. Central axis means what? Central axis means which is the main road. Okay, where it is present? It is present inside the body in main road or the central side. And this appendicular skeleton is present on arm and legs. Understood this? Now, so these all are the how human skeleton system differentiated on the basis of their position, size, shape, protection. Okay, on the basis of that they are differentiated. So what are the functions of skull? What are the functions of spines, rib cage, arms, legs, and how it works and how it's functioning, we will discuss in next class. If you like my channel or my video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.